Rockstar lifestyle when I'm gon' make it. I done came up and all these niggas, yeah, they haters. She told me that she loved me, always knew that she was faking. MG on the BG, oh, wait till I'm the greater.
What's up, Go fam? You already know I'm out here. Right now it's snowing, as you can see. Look, I'm all by myself. I got the 360 cam. I think it's waterproof for better days. But I'm out here right now. Let's see, first wheelie-ish. Hopefully my brakes don't give out and all that. Yes, sir, we outside though. I'm out here by myself right now, but I said flip it. Might as well just go get some content in the snow, because who knows, it might not snow again. I know the GoPro probably blurring now. This snow's snagging me. Sheesh. Sound like the car speeding up a little bit behind me. Think I gotta slow down. Woohoo! Yes, sirski. Woo. Oh, my tire just when I pedal hard. What's even on 360? Unreal. I'm only gonna get a couple clips on the 360 today. It's really snow now. Oh, Willie's on the sidewalk in this snow. There's a lot of snow on the sidewalk. Ooh. People probably like, yo, what's up with him? Riding a bike in the snow? Yes, sir. I'm outside, no kizzy. Damn, the snow's smacking me. Oh, it's coming down. Oh! Need goggles out here. I can't even see right now. Let me get this thing. I don't need a four-wheeler. Got my power bike, yeah. Snow coming down a little hard. Whew. I'm about to try to take the little blocks. Just ride around. Hold on, y'all ready? Ready for the combos? Oh. Oh. Slurred the cup? No, chill. Oh yeah. Alright, make sure them things still working. Oh. Oh, that thing's spinning. Oh. Oh. We're really doing this though. That's why I'm the GOAT. No kizzy. Ah. Woo. Woo, it's getting hot under this mask. Think I can hit a dustbin in the snow? What y'all think? Yeah. Oh! I lied. No, I'm gonna get it. Come on. Let me try to like clear it out a little bit or something. Dustbin in the snow. That didn't even do nothing. Flip it. Oh nah. Yeah, that's not happening. Woo! It's the most time of the year. Oh, through the park, look at that. Fire! I love this. Oh, oh, everything's flat. Hold on, I'm about to take some pictures in the snow. Not of me on my bike and that. Oh, the bag, the seat. Seat dirty as ever though. Whew. I ain't gonna lie, it's cold out, but I'm hot as ever right now. I'm gonna just go out there and come back around. Be out. His GoPro always tripping out. Unreal. Ready? You ready? Swerving this in the snow and all. Yeah. Oh! No homo, this bike is so big, I can barely touch my foot on the ground when I do that. Always be about to fall when I do it now. Unreal. It is cold out, but it just looks so crazy out. My fault, I gotta keep wiping the camera so y'all can see. What a GoPro, same-ish. This is so fire. I'm gonna go back down. Go down all the snowy blocks. Oh, this block's super snowy. Yes, Sirski. Who else though? For real. Oh. Bro, this is lit. Jeez. I don't remember the last time we got snow for real. Usually when we get snow, a little snow. This right here is real snow. So I'm talking about. Hold on. Even though my gloves gonna get wet, but oh, this doo-doo snow though. Can't make a good snowball. My fault, bro. Just for that, I might have to show you some work. Held him up. I have to show you some work. Woo. 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 Turn the corner. Woo. Woo. Who else? For real. Who else? Keep that wheel up though. Keep it up. Off the sidewalk. Oh, my fault, car. Don't drop though. That's what I do. What I do. Here. Go. Oh. Snow keep getting in my eye. I should have wore goggles for real. Lonnie said that too. Said if you come out, put some goggles on. I'm like, yeah, quit waffling. Should listen to him. Oh. Oh. Know the vibes. Oh. Not all the 360 videos going in this video though. But still just want to get some 360 videos. IG editor some. They'll be on the uncut channel too. But yeah. Oh, this block hard to pedal though. Oh. It's your hardest ever to move on this block. Not having that. Oh, this is lit. Woo! Damn, this joint just slid in my back tire. Unreal. Go back this way real quick. I'm gonna dip through a couple blocks and I'm out. Oh my God. Look how fire this looks though. Woo! Yes, sirski. Dang, I did not want to keep coming straight to this block. It's the slush block. It's cool. I'm gonna go this way, dip back down, and go around. Look at this slush, dude. No, I'd rather ride on the sidewalk. I'm cool. Let me go down this. Oh, they got basketball court out here. You don't want that thing real quick. Oh, wind blowing. Really out here in the snow though. I'm just hyped because we really never get snow no more. I'm hyped right now. It's crazy. I wasn't even gonna come out to make a video. Glad I did though. This is lit. Would you look at it? This thing, this camera. GoPro, unreal. I want to record on that block. Now it wants to start. Keep that wheel up. Oh. Yeah, real bike life, yeah. Real bike life. He was outside. Keep that wheel up. Oh, yeah, that one. I don't even care how long this video gonna be. I don't even care if it's 5 minutes. I still had a little fun coming out real quick to even make this video, because I wasn't even gonna come out. Because one, it's cold as flip. It's not just snow, it's like 20 degrees right now. And some blocks it's all slush begin on you. Oh, look at this block. Oh my God. Gotta hit this thing. Come on. There you go, deep. Looks like no car down this block yet. Gotta hit this block. Do a combo in it? Combo it? Ah, nah. I like stay down in the snow when you get it big. Keep it up down. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Dang.
My brakes locked up. My tires locked up.
Dang, brakes locked up. Sheesh. That's why you need a bike. Bike, you ain't gotta worry about that. I need to ride up under here. Oh no, this is even worse. Look at it. Oh, this looks fire though. I keep saying everything look fire. The snow look fire, that's why. Oh, nah. Yeah, that went crazy. Hold on. All right, Go fam. Probably just end the video off here. This is the end of this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Go get the merch right now, link in the description. Whew. Subscribe to the Uncut channel, the gaming channel, the Oneway channel. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm really outside though. Hold up. For real. Outside. Mobbing. Oh look. Cars drifting and all that. C2 pup getting right through the snow. Got the little Uggs on. Yes, sir. Dang, my girl gonna be mad when I bring this back in the crib. Let's don't leave a puddle. Yes. That's the worst thing though. Bringing it back in the crib, even yourself. You got dry off and you don't want to get sick. Corona right now. Even if you got a headache, they're like, oh, you got corona. Unreal. But go find this end of this video. Know the vibes. We out.